Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Facebook tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to answer one of the most asked questions online. That's how you can convert your Facebook account or your personal Facebook account into a Facebook page. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. After doing this, you'll be able to monetize your content you post on your personal Facebook page. You're going to get access to your insights analytics just like on the page, and people wouldn't send you friend requests, but rather they will follow you, something like that. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So you can see I'm on my Facebook wall here. So what I need to do is I move to my profile. You can do this on a mobile phone if you have the real Facebook app, not the Facebook Lite. So if you're on a mobile phone, try to download the real Facebook app and then follow the procedure. So now you tap on this, which is my profile. I want to expand my profile. So on here, what I need to do is I tap on the three dots here on your Facebook mobile too. You're going to see that. That's the real app. And then on here, I turn on the professional mode. So just like I mentioned earlier, people would have to follow you rather. You get it? Your profile will be public like a page and they will have to follow you. And then you get paid if you reach to the, if you unlock your monetization tools, you're going to get paid if you post stuff and people react to it. And you're going to see your insights just like on pages, and also you'll be tagging and doing some other stuff as well. You'll be getting access to other features. So now let me turn it on. So yeah, it's going to take some time to reload. So that's you see my page will change. So it's done now. So I think it will have to refresh and you're going to see how my page is going to look like. So I'm still on my profile. I'm sure the URL is saying I'm still on my profile. So that's it. So the page has been changed to a professional page. So you can see here now my followers are showing, and then people I'm following are also showing. So here my friends and those kind of stuff are not going to show. So you can see my dashboard here. Let me tap on that. And yes, you can see it here. So things I post here, the reach, the interactions, and the rest, the followers within the last 28 days. So I don't do nothing on my Facebook page or my Facebook account. That's why you're seeing nothing here. But then if I was doing something, you're going to see some numbers here in my last 28 days. So that's it on how you can convert your personal Facebook account into a page or a professional account so that you can get monetized, and you can also get access to page features. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it. Peace.